Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmeline bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. As has become a tradition, around the 11th of the month, the monthly commemoration of the first missionary sending the sector for the missions has released a new video of the series Cagliari Life. The theme for December is that of witness. But this is not the only news that comes from the missions. In fact, from 2022, the sector will be equipped with a new logo. 2021, which saw the birth of the new missionary animation column of Cagliari Life, closes with the last video of this series that makes us reflect on a theme of extreme relevance for anyone who intends to be a missionary of the gospel today. The importance of being credible as well as being believers. The brief visual provocation, in fact, recalls that it is authenticity, a prophetic life, because it is worthy of trust and the coherence between what is believed and how one acts that truly characterizes the Christian, more than mere theoretical knowledge of the faith or catechism. Proclaiming Christ is living with Christ is the central message of this month's video. Since June 19, 2021, two Salesian priests, together with a close-knit group of young people and adults, have started the new Salesian oratory in Porto Velho in northern Brazil, belonging to the Salesian province of Manaus, BMPA. The oratory, which began in small steps on the first two Saturday afternoons, then took flight with the presence on Saturday afternoon and Wednesday evening of more than 300 children and young people of the poorest boroughs of the city. Thanks to many Italian and local benefactors, the Salesians were always able to guarantee an abundant snack with hot dogs and natural fruit juice. On October 12, the National Day of the Child had a great echo. The presence of more than 500 people, including children and parents or managers, made everyone to understand how important the presence of the San Francisco de Sales oratory has become for children, young people and families in the neediest areas of the city. During the work of the winter plenary session of the General Council, the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major of the Salesian Congregation, with the consent of his council, appointed the sixth superior of the Vice Province, Blessed Filippo Rinaldi of Haiti, HAI. It is Father Morachel Bonthome, who will carry out his mandate in the 6-year period 2022 to 2028. Inspector-designate Morachel Bonthome was born in Jacmel, Haiti on November 29, 1960. He entered the novitiate in Jarabacoa, Dominican Republic in 1987, where he made his first vows as a Salesian on August 16, 1988, and his perpetual vows on June 5, 1994 in Pétionville, Haiti. He was ordained a priest on 26 July 1998 in Thorlin. In the parish church, San Giovanni Bosco of the Salesian Presence of El Porvenir in Bogota, Salesians Juan Miguel Bastos and Wilmer Delgadillo made their perpetual profession. The celebration was presided over by Father John Jairo Gomez, Superior of the Salesian Province of Bogota. With the Mass presided over by Father Thaddeus Itterich, Superior of the Salesian Province of Pila, PLN, the 17th edition of the Provincial Futsal Tournament of Altar Service began on December 4th. The sporting event was organized by the Salesian Association of Youth Education. The participants of Alexandro Kujawski, Parish of the Blessed Virgin Mary Help of Christians, and the Kujawski Institute, Bygauche, Parish of St. Mark, Derbrisno, Depno, Gerdans, Kobilnica, Pila, Parish of St. John Bosco, Rumia, Parish of the Holy Cross and the Blessed Virgin Mary Help of Christians, Zepsino, Sups and Strichin, Parish of St. John Bosco, accompanied by a dozen Salesians and a few dozen parents, took part in the tournament divided into 3 age groups. The award ceremony was presided over by Father Ittrich. About 50 educators from various countries of America participated in the International Formation Meeting in December on the theme Preventive System and Synodality. Sister Yvonne Golat, FMA, noted that Salesian identity promotes participation and community building based on preventive values, attentive listening, closeness and recognition of the other. Fernando Vergara, Vice Rector of Identity and Development of Students of the Catholic University, Silva Henriquez, commented that the Synod 2021 to 2023 is a path that is travel in community without differences, which aims to recover the witness of God's love for all. Sister Elizabeth Corsino, FMA, began her speech by presenting the proposal of Pope Francis and the stages of the Synod, emphasizing that the goal is a synodal church which seeks communion and participation. He highlighted that as a Salesian family that shares the educational mission of the Church, what the Lord asks of us is contained in the word synod, that is, working together, priests, laity, religious families and young people. In addition, he analyzed the antecedents of the preventive system, emphasizing that social problems are solved together, never alone. He had said it, and he was of the word. If necessary, we will all also go to Pope Francis to realize this dream. Cardinal Maurice Evanor Piat, Bishop of Port Louis, capital of the Mauritius Islands, has been collaborating for years with the Salesians present in his diocese to expand the educational offer of the St. Gabriel Don Bosco Technical Institute and thus give opportunities for the future to many poor young people who today are rejected and marginalized. And in this praiseworthy effort, last December 1st, he was received in private audience by the Pope together with Father Maurizio Rossi SDP, Director of the Salesian Work of Port Louis, and the Dean and Vice Principal of the Institute, respectively, Mr. Alain Besh and Michel Mohont, and presented to the Holy Father his project and its aim. On the sidelines of that appointment, he granted an interview to ANTS. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.